Anthony from Imagine Your Dream. We just pulled into Presqu'ile Provincial Park for the weekend. This weekend we have my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and nephew with us for the weekend. Say hi to Sean. So we pulled in here probably around 7 o'clock. We're going to be here for the weekend, so super pumped about that. The park is very busy, as expected in mid-July. So we're on site 85. Nice big site. I'll do a little tour around that in a little bit. So we're just getting dinner ready and cracked open a couple craft beers as usual and get the night going and have a nice campfire. So looking forward to a good weekend. Start of a new day, and we are going to do some touring around the park. Just making up some breakfast right now, and Heather and her sister are staying just for half a day today, then it's just the guys for the rest of the weekend. So see what's gonna happen with that after they leave, so it should be fun. Anyways, I'll do a little tool around the park and maybe get on a hike or two. We'll see what the day brings, but beautiful summer day here in July. We're just out on a walk with the dogs. Just came out of the campsite area, and we are on the lakefront campsites. Really nice, but super hard to reserve. Like really hard. We're back here again, I think in a month and a half maybe, and we did manage to get one, but just got lucky on reserving it. So if you're planning on it, you got to be right on the ball for that. So just walking through the area where we're camping. It's just where we are, there's a bigger circle than that goes around, and then there's a smaller circle within that bigger circle, and that's where we are. So lots of variety of tent camping in here, as well as for your RVs. So this park is absolutely huge. So it's something, if you're going to go somewhere to the park store or wherever, depending on where you are camping, you would want to definitely get in your vehicle. So we're just going to do up some lunch. The girls went home, took the dogs and everything, so it's just my brother-in-law and nephew for the rest of the weekend. So it was good. Had my aunt and uncle and some friends pop over earlier, which is really nice to visit them. And friends of ours, the same friends that were over here, Ron and Beth, they have a cottage not too far from where we're camping, so we're gonna head down there in a little bit and hang out with them, have a cold one, and then come back to the campsite. So gonna be fun. They're right on the lake, so that's gonna be sweet. So looking forward to that. So this is site 85 that we're on. It's a really big site, actually. Quite nice, pretty flat. As you can see, they give you a bit of a pad to back onto, which I actually went a little bit further back. There's still lots of gravel under my trailer, so which is keeps it level somewhat. So yeah, so it's wide open, people all around you. Nobody on the one side of us at all. It's just trees, and then to the other side of us here, there's a site, but nobody's on it, so not too bad. Let's walk over to the other side. Easily get 2 vehicles on here. Yeah, so decent site. I'd stay at this one again, not too bad. Ideally we want the water sites, but as I mentioned, almost impossible to get.
Go like that? Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Is it slippery?
It's not slippery, but it's going to move a bit because of Newton's third law of physics.
3, 2, 1.
We're just heading into the park store. We just left the cottage, so we had a good time there, just visiting with everybody. So we're just gonna head into the park store, and I'm gonna grab another crust for Presqu'ile Park, add to the collection.
Skunks are land animals, and otters are water animals.
Exactly. So Sean's just learning about the different types of animals and their fur. And
Fur here.
land animals and water animals.
Underneath. Do you recognize this animal?
That's not a raccoon. This is a raccoon.
Coyote, yeah.
No, that's...
Yeah, so the fisher is a kind of weasel, and what they do is they'll actually hunt porcupines. So they'll be able to flip the porcupine onto its belly, or onto its back, sorry, and its belly doesn't have any quills on it. So it can eat the porcupine from its belly. So they disappeared in southern Ontario for a while. They were reintroduced to help control porcupines, because the porcupines like to eat tree bark like beavers. And so there were so many of them, they needed fishers to come in and eat them and control the population.
There's always different things going on at the parks. So go to the front gate, or you'll see different postings around the parks to see what's going on, different events on weekends. Usually they have even a lot of live animal demonstrations. So lots of stuff for the family and for kids. So yeah, seek it out, check it out. That was a lot of fun seeing all those different furs and learning about the different animals. So good education piece for Sean. We got a little football, you bet. Here we go. Saturday night we're gonna get a fire going as we always do, and get this thing rocking a little bit. We went on a walkabout on the park, so lots of people out there having fun doing their thing. Sean's putting on bug spray.
So much mosquitoes.
Alright, Sunday morning we are heading out on the road now. Got everything hooked up. We had a great weekend, eh, Sean?
Yeah.
So we are heading out to Bass Lake Provincial Park next weekend. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. And we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.